Good day, everyone. Our topic for today is all about Republic Act Number 4670, the Magna Carta for Public School Teachers. This is the continuation report of Ms. Muhammad, Article 2, Recruitment and Career. Section 12, Academic Freedom. Teachers shall enjoy academic freedom in the discharge of their professional duties, particularly with regard to teaching and classroom method. So, dito sa Section 12, yung teacher is meron silang academic freedom na mai-enjoy nila. So, kapag nasa labas ng paralan yung mga guro, is pwede nilang gawin yung mga gusto nilang gawin. Pero, kailangan din nilang mag-act as a professional. Article 3, Hours of Work and Remuneration. Section 13, Teaching Hours. Any teacher engaged in actual classroom instruction shall not be required to render more than 6 hours of actual classroom teaching a day, which shall be so scheduled as to give him time for the preparation and correction of the exercises and other work incidental to his normal teaching duties, provided, however, that where the exigencies of the service so require, any teacher may be required to render more than 6 hours but not exceeding 8 hours of actual classroom teaching a day, upon payment of additional compensation at the same rate as his regular remuneration plus at least 25% of his basic pay. So, dito sa Section 13, Teaching Hours, any teacher na ma-engage sa actual classroom instruction ay hindi required to render more than 6 hours kada araw dahil yung ibang time is scheduled para sa pagbigay ng time para sa preparation like sa mga activities or iba pa niyang ginagawa. However, meron ding mga teacher na required na mag-duty ng more than 6 hours pero hindi lalagpas sa 8 hours. Section 14, Additional Compensation. Notwithstanding any provision of existing law to the contrary, co-curricula and out-of-school activities and any other activities outside of what is defined as normal duties of any teacher shall be paid an additional compensation of at least 25% of his regular remuneration after the teacher has completed at least 6 hours of actual classroom teaching a day. In the case of other teachers or school officials not engaged in actual classroom instruction, any work performed in excess of 8 hours a day shall be paid an additional compensation of at least 25% of their regular remuneration. The agencies utilizing the services of teacher shall pay the additional compensation required under this section. Education authorities shall refuse to allow the rendition of services of teacher for other government agencies without the assurance that the teacher shall be paid the remuneration provided for under this section. Dito sa Section 14, Additional Compensation, the out-of-school activities and any other activities outside na ma-define ng normal duties ng mga teachers is meron silang additional compensation na at least 25% sa kanilang regular na sahod. Sa other case naman ng mga school officials na hindi engaged sa actual classroom instruction pero nagtatrabaho ng mahigit 8 oras kada araw shall be paid an additional compensation of at least 25% pa rin sa kanilang regular remuneration. The education authority shall refuse to allow. So, yung mga education authorities is hindi dapat ina-allow yung rendition ng mga services ng mga teachers para sa other government agencies na walang assurance na mababayaran yung mga teachers. Section 15, Criteria for Salaries. A. They shall compare favorably with those paid in other occupations requiring equivalent or similar qualifications, training, and abilities. B. They shall be such as to ensure teachers a reasonable standard of life for themselves and their families. And letter C. They shall be properly graded so as to recognize the fact that certain positions require higher qualifications and greater responsibility than others, provided, however, that the general salary scale shall be such that the relation between the lowest and highest salaries paid in the profession will be of reasonable order. Narrowing of the salary scale shall be achieved by raising the lower end of the salary scales relative to the upper end. Dito sa Section 15, they make sure na ang salary ng mga teacher are favorable and comparable to the other salaries of professional so that yung mga teachers will be having a higher standard of their life at saka yung mga teachers is merong stable financial na status.